You're just not feeling yourself. Your energy is low, your mood is down, body is weak and soft. You've decided you must make a change. It's time to get healthy. You're taking action to feel better. You're getting active, eating healthy, and you've bought the supplement your body needs to make it happen. But what no one told you is that the pill you are counting on is going right through you without delivering any of the amazing benefits you dreamed of. It was never absorbed into your system. It went right through you. You've just flushed your money down the drain. Turmeric, vitamin C, and vitamin D3, vitamin B12 are just a few of the common supplements that are virtually worthless when taken in common pill form. Here's why. When you swallow a capsule, your stomach acid quickly works to disintegrate it, and then your stomach acid destroys much of what's inside. The little that does make it to your intestines intact still isn't effective unless it's absorbed into the bloodstream. The uptake is totally ineffective, and the small fraction of the supplement which reaches the bloodstream still does no good until it penetrates your cells, which is very difficult. Only trace amounts of the active ingredient ever get to your cells or provide you any benefit. You find yourself in the same state. None of the results you dreamed of have come true. How can you ensure these fragile nutrients survive their journey and actually make it into your body intact, where they can deliver the results you need? The good news is nature provided the solution in liposomes, and PuraThrive has harnessed this power. Here's how PuraThrive's true liposomes deliver the results you need. Each molecule of the active ingredient is surrounded by a protective phospholipid fat bilayer, a substance very similar to your cell walls. This is the liposome. These liposomes protect the active ingredient from the acid in your stomach like a bodyguard, transporting it to pass unharmed through your stomach to your intestines. The liposomes enable optimal absorption, protecting and shuttling the nutrients efficiently to the bloodstream. Now it's ready to be delivered directly to the cells where it's needed, and the liposome is readily accepted by them. Now you've got the full dose of the active ingredient in your cells, and you can feel the results. This all-natural, ultra-efficient system provides up to 20 times improved absorption. At PuraThrive, we've gone to great lengths to ensure our liposomes offer you a trusted, proven system you can count on to deliver results for you.